The doors are open, the aisles are filled, and shoppers are already here. People in Beech Grove now have a new place to pick up their groceries. Safeway Foods has now moved into the old Marsh store off of Albany Street.
This is a great stop on the way home, on the way out. It's convenient.
With Marsh closing dozens of its stores across central Indiana, many communities were left with fewer options.
I was like, oh my goodness, I said, what are we going to do now?
Now, Beech Grove has a new alternative.
It's great to see the store here for reasons of safety. It's close, it's nearby, it's easily accessible.
Mayor Dennis Buckley says many people who live nearby are senior citizens, and this store is conveniently located for them.
A lot of people that live in this area don't have access to food, can't drive, so they walk. So having a store in here is vital.
The company tells me they have hired 98% of the Marsh staff who worked at the previous store, and customers say they're glad to see some familiar faces.
I got to know them when it was Marsh, and some of them came back, and it's just in the neighborhood, and I was thankful that the mayor put it back together.
The mayor tells me it was so important for them to fill this vacant store as soon as possible for safety concerns and to also better serve the people who live in this community. Reporting from Beech Grove, Stephanie Wade, RTV6.